Hey there, Sam. Sometimes you need a final control on what elements to display or what styles to apply to elements when you are on a smaller screen size. For example, I have a heading here which has a large font size and it looks okay on a desktop screen. When I decrease the screen size, notice that the font size is decreased as well. This is done by something called the media query, and let's take a look on how can we achieve this. We'll start with a blank page and add a heading and apply some styles. I want the font size to be increased to 5 rem and also change the font family because I don't like the default font. Next, let's apply the media query. We use the add symbol and type in media. There are 3 different media that we can choose from: the screen media, the print media, and the speech media. Screen is for screen size. Print is for printing when we want to print a web page. And speech is for text reader, targeting at people who has special needs. We'll use the screen media in our case, and we want to specify the max width to be 800 pixel. Then target H1, the font size to be 4 rem. So this whole block reads like, if the media type is screen and up to a maximum width of 800 pixel, I want to target all H1 to have a font size of 4 rem. Let's try this out in our browser. Yes, it works. And if you're wondering how did I get to this responsive view, you'll need to click on this button in the Chrome Dev tool and select the responsive options from the list of devices. This is a very powerful feature of the Chrome browser and allows you to test your web pages in different devices and screen sizes. Let's add another media query, and this time we want to change the font size to 2 rem on 600 pixel and below. Once again, add media, screen, and max width is 600 pixel. Target H1, font size 2 rem. Let's test in the browser, and it works. One thing to be very careful of is the cascading nature of CSS. If we place our 600 pixel media query above on 800 pixel, this will no longer work. Because the CSS rule says the later wins out the previous, because the 800 pixel media query says that up to screen size of 800 pixel, I want OH1 to have a font size of 4 rem, and that will override the 600 pixel media query. You can also add different styles to your elements on different screen sizes. For example, I want my H1 to have a background color of blue for screen sizes lesser than 600 pixel. To do that, I'll just need to add a background color property to the 600 pixel media query, and that's it. So that's a quick intro to media query. Key takeaways for this lesson: media queries is used to make web pages responsive, in other words, mobile friendly. The Chrome Dev tool has a very powerful feature to view our website in different devices. There are 3 different media types: screen, print, and speech. That's it for this lesson, and I'll see you again shortly. If you enjoyed the content of this video, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and the bell icon for more content to come. It will really help me out. Thanks for the support.